Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this tutorial we shall be looking at how to open TikTok on mute. Yes, this time we shall be looking at how you can easily open TikTok on mute. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method of teaching you guys today is very simple. So you do not root to device, and also this works in every country. So it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that every time I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, just open your app store, your Play Store, and then search for your TikTok application. If your TikTok is not updated, you need to make sure it is updated to the latest version. So you need to make sure you are using the latest version of your TikTok application. Now once your TikTok is updated, all you want to do is to just go ahead and then open your TikTok over here. Now once you open your TikTok, you can see you can see your profile here. Just click on profile and you can see the three lines at the upper right corner over here. Just click on these three lines at the upper right corner and click on settings and privacy. Now scroll to where you can see playback. Click on playback, and once you click on playback, you can see open TikTok on mute, and you can see videos will be muted by default when you open TikTok. Tap to unmute videos or use your device volume controls. Now just turn on this toggle and that's it. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a new video